everybody, my name is Way-Vey, and today we are playing Subway Surf. So let's get to it. If you guys don't know what Subway Surf is, it's real, yeah. I'm a little teenage boy, and I have to try to survive the policeman. And I have to try to break Skull, their top one. I'm trying to beat him, and yeah, this is Subway Surf. You can get like mystery boxes, and I died already. So yeah, you can get mystery boxes and all that stuff. It's a really cool game. So yeah. Oh shit, I just realized that I have to move my face to... Okay, doop, and boop, and doop. Oh yeah. Hear the music? It's music, alright? Music to my ears. Oop. Almost died though. Wee. Oh, I'm sorry if I ain't as excited as I used to am to make a video. It's kind of nighttime. I'm making a video. Don't question it. So yeah. Wee. So far, one time I actually got really far on this. Comment on how far you guys went. Phew. Pogo stick. How is that even possible? You saw that. Mystery box. Oh! It's beautiful. It's a key. Because of my beautiful face. There we go. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's crazy. Hup. Boom. Doop. 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 We almost died though. No. 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 Jetpack. Jet. I believe I can fly! Oh my gosh, I'm missing coins here. What am I doing? What am I doing with myself, Marty? What am I doing? We. Okay, sorry if I'm smoking. Sorry if I'm making this face a lot. It's a habit I have. That's kind of like my smile whenever I'm like, yeah. So yeah, let's get back to this. Dang, I'm going fast. Oh my gosh. You almost just killed yourself, kid. That kid never really knows anything. Never knows anything. See what I mean? Kid. Kitty weddy. What are you doing with yourself, kid? Wait. Perfect! Hilarious. So I'm moving the camera a lot too. I'm playing on a tablet. Don't. Okay, so far so good. My face is huge. Make it small a little bit. There we go. Okay, what the heck? Jetpack! Oh, that was pro skills. Pro skills there. Whee! The jetpack has to be my favorite thing by far. Ugh. What the heck? I'm still playing this and I'm still making a video? This has to be long. This has to be a long video. So guys, yeah, we are back. We're black. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. We'll go one more time. I mean, what the heck? I'm getting used to this face cam I have. I like my face cam. Now I can record my face. What the heck? Okay. Do you guys think I can make the whole entire video without making this face? I'll try. No. No! Every single time, guys. Every single time. Mystery box! Mystery box! Mystery box! Mystery box! Mystery box! I got every two out of there. Buy my mystery box! How much money is it? $1,000. Double it up. Or continue. So guys, I'll do one more round, just for fun. My camera's so freaking much. Trust me, guys. I'm trying the best I can not to move it. Is it working well? No. Not much at all. Go on the train! Oh, pro skills! Oh, that was pro skills there, man. Jumped right up, window on the train. Kid, you might be a little annoying. You might be really annoying. But, yeah, pro skills, buddy. Pro skills! Trust me, he was really annoying. Really annoying. He was the annoyingest kid you've ever seen. Kid, I'm older than you, even though you look like a teenager. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. My name is Wayward, and I'll see you guys next time. Good. Bye. Get back in my face. Bye. End video.